Hello, my name is Daniel Villa, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the legendary Blackwing 602 pencil. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing. So this particular box that I bought, I actually got it at an authorized retailer. And one of the cool things about Blackwing and how they work as a company is that they actually went the extra mile to write down Stockton, California, which is where I live. So I thought that was really cool that they do that for their authorized retailers. You can also find these online directly through their website or in Amazon. I have provided a link at the bottom so that if you want to go get it for yourself, you can click that link. It is an affiliate link, so if you do buy some Blackwings for you, I will receive a small commission and no extra cost to you. So let's get on to the actual unboxing now. So this is actually how I got the box. There was no plastic or nothing around. It is really nice box, honestly. It kind of reminds me of the iPhone box that is really thick and it's really matte. So it feels really nice to the touch. And when you opened it, oh, look at those guys. Well, that's kind of neat, this little design right here. So it says 12 pencils in the box. I mean, I do trust the retailer, but you know, let's count. Oops, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, yeah, so 12 pencils. Okay, first impressions. I really haven't seen this pencil before. I do like the color. That's really neat right here, how it's kind of golden. Okay, that's their signature line right there. Half the pressure, twice the speed, then Palomino Blackwing. It does look like a big pencil, honestly, but it's not sharp. So, I mean, and then this really long eraser, I think that kind of does it too. So that's very interesting. And of course, here we have the famed detachable eraser. So let's see how this works. Okay, you're supposed to pinch here and oh, okay, that's neat too. All right, yeah, that wasn't too hard. Okay, I see how that works. See, can we take that off? Oh, okay, yeah, all right. Yeah, it's a tiny little eraser. Okay, I see it. So let's put it back on. Wonder if this little aluminum piece is gonna become loose after No, it's, well, a little bit, but it's still gripping. So, of course, detachable erasers. Okay, that went for fairly easy. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. It is a smart looking pencil. I really like that. It feels really extra and fancy. So, let's get this sharpened and then see how it works. Okay, so I just have a regular sharpener right here. This feels kind of sacrilegious. Okay, it sharpens well. All right. Okay, so for the second one, I'm actually going to use my knife, X-Acto knife, because I do this to my regular Staedtler pencils. So that's how I prefer to draw. I don't really draw. Okay, that's a little harder than the Staedtlers. Staedtlers just cut like butter. This one you do need a little bit more force to do that. I really like the color of the wood right there. Okay, let's sharpen this now. All right, now that we have those sharpened, let's do a couple tests with these. I'm gonna start with this one, just with the regular writing, see how it does. Let's go up here. Okay, that is really soft. That's really soft to write, and that's really, really dark, and I wasn't even pressing that much. So that's pretty cool. I don't know. Let's see. I wonder, let's do a pressure test. Let's see how long it takes before it breaks. Okay, so let's do a pressure test. Let's see how long it takes until, oh wow, that's a really dark mark. Let's see how much pressure it takes until the point break. Oh, there it is. I mean, yeah, it's not too bad, but that was a lot of pressure. Let me see. Oh, I like that. That's a really smooth glide. Really, really smooth glide. Good, so let me apply less pressure. Wow, even with not a lot of pressure, that's really dark. That's going to be great and terrible for drawing, because I feel one of my biggest struggles in drawing is that I get dark really, really, really quick. So let's try to erase that with a built-in eraser. I can still see that. I can still see it. How about that? Wow, that's this point right here, it won't erase. Oh, and it smears a lot too. Oh boy. Okay, let's see. Wow, it does smear quite a bit, so that tells me right there the graphite, it's really, really soft. Wow. Okay. This will gonna be really good for turning the form and shading. Okay, I like that. So let's get drawing now. So after all that, in my opinion, the Palomino Blackwing 602 pencil is worth the money. One of the things that I noticed was that I didn't really have to put in a lot of pressure when I was trying to get really dark in the drawing. One of the things that I didn't really necessarily like about the pencil is how dark it gets all of a sudden. They do live up to their name of half the pressure, twice the speed. Yes, I did do that drawing in faster time than I typically would with Stadler. However, I felt at times that I had a little bit less control over how much dark it got. But I mean, it's just getting used to this pencil and then just getting my hand trained again on how much pressure I need to put. overall, definitely I would say this pencil is worth it. I think now I'm gonna have to get the other versions of the pencil to see how they compare to my Stadlers that I'm so used to getting. But definitely it's a pencil that I would recommend if you can definitely save up and get it, because after all, it is a little bit pricey. So at the price of $24, for me it was $27 after taxes. That would break it down to a little bit to over $2 per pencil. So that is still quite a bit for a pencil in my opinion, because I'm just cheap. Unless you have money to blow, go ahead. However, I do like to be frugal, so I think these pencils would be something of like a special. It wouldn't necessarily be my to-go pencil. However, highly recommended. I would definitely get yourself some if you can. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you can join me here in the channel, either for some tips on how you can DIY art school from home, or if you want to know more tutorials or art review materials, then this is going to be the place. Until next time, make sure you keep safe and keep practicing.